When installing your new Brother Drum unit, you may find your printer displays one of the following error messages. In this video, we'll cover how to fix this for your machine. With Brother consumables, you need to reset the count so the printer knows you've put in a new drum. It doesn't detect this automatically. To reset the count, ensure the drum is installed and the printer is switched on. Then, hold down the Go button. With this held down, press the up arrow. This will bring up the reset menu. Press the arrow to ensure you're selecting the drum. Press OK. Use the arrow to scroll through and find the color of the drum that you need to reset, and then press OK. Press the up arrow to confirm. Once the printer reads accepted, this should now be ready to use.